In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro are not showing in the Find My app. Now, if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro are not showing in the Find My app, first of all, just go to Settings. Then under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Find My and tap on Find My iPhone. Now just make sure you enable Find My iPhone. And after that, just enable the toggle for Find My Network and Send Last Location. After you enable all these three options, then just go back and enable Share My Location. Now from here, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and make sure that Location Services is turned on. If it is already on, just turn it off. Then wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. Now from here, just tap on Find My. Now if it is on Never, just select while using the app and also enable Precise Location. Now after you enable all these options, then if you go to your home screen and if you open the Find My app, you will find your AirPods in the Devices section, just like that. But if you have done all that and if you still cannot find your AirPods in the Find My app, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. Now just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, and after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. From here, just tap on Forget this device, then select Forget Device. After you've done that, now on your AirPods, just make sure that both of your AirPods are in the case, then just close the lid, then wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPod. Now, if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods, then press and hold the button at the back of the AirPods until this LED turns into orange, then from orange to white. Now this can take around 15 seconds, but after you do that, you will complete the factory reset process on your AirPods. Now after you complete this process, now just close the lid on your AirPods, then place them aside. Now from here, on your iPhone, just perform a force restart. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just open the lid of your AirPods and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now just complete the pairing process. And once the pairing process is completed, then just open the Find My app on your iPhone, then go to the Devices section. And over here, you will find your AirPods in the Find My app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.